What's up YouTube, my name is Bula Gaming and today I'm gonna unboxing Redmi Note 7. So here's the phone. Oops, sorry. Here's the phone. I just purchased the phone yesterday. Yesterday. So this is Redmi Note 7. So we see on what in the box first. So this is his box, Redmi Note 7. So nothing in the box lately. We can see Redmi Note 7, empty, blank, Redmi Note 7, front, and in the back we got 4.8 megapixel camera, back camera. We got 6.3 Full HD, and we got 40 mAh power battery. So that's it. So let's open and see what inside the box. So we're gonna get USB cable to charge on the wall. We got our USB Type C, I guess. I cannot see it. Maybe micro or Type C. Maybe Type C. Cannot see it. And what else? What else in the box? Is that it? Is that everything on the box? I think that's it on the box. Or maybe, I don't know. Maybe I was wrong, or maybe I was right. Yep, there's nothing in the box. So what we got here? A screen protector, just in case. A screen protector and a manual. Yep, a manual. So that's everything in the box. So let's get the main advance then. The Redmi Note 7. So I just buy this phone. Let me take that case off. It comes with a case, clear plastic case. Every phone get origin. This is my phone, so it's a blue color, blue purplish color. You can see that's shiny. So let's open and see what inside. So this is a standard way to open. Let's see. About phone. System Redmi Note 7, Android 9.0 Pie. So nothing to show here, so we back off and we see what else in the phone. This is a Google, so I will sign in. Let's open. Let's see the sound. Sorry. Wait for it. I'll be right back. Let's see what we can hear from the sound system. Maybe take a while. Maybe. Wait. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna search for wait me, I will sign in first before I do this. So let's see one of my video. It's okay. The sound quality, speaker is loud. It's okay. So if you want to hear it, I can just play it. So so the sound is bad. Okay, studio quality. What else we got stuff. We got stuff contact. That's a normal way. Everything okay. So I don't know. There's fingerprints on the back. Camera. We got videos, short video, photo, portrait. So we got all effects on here on the camera setting, so there's nothing to talk about it. So that's it, I guess. there's nothing to to do now. Try find something, but I cannot find it. Where is it? I don't know. There's something here I cannot find. So the phone, okay, to me it's okay. Who's a gaming who's a gamer, I recommended you buy this phone because this phone Snapdragon 8660, really high. Maybe it's pretty cheap. I buy it a price on Malaysia, it's 799 ringgit, so it's pretty cheap maybe, but is it worth it? I don't know. So that's it, I guess. Redmi Note 7. Redmi Note 7. I don't know it waterproof or not, because I guess that's it, I guess. So if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Press that notification bell, and I make more video like this every day. I don't know, it depends what I'm gonna do, because in my channel I do a lot of things. It depends what I gonna do. So I know I upload videos so late lately, so it's complicated. Okay, okay, I'm gonna end this. I'm so hot right now. So if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, press that notification bell, and I will make more video like this. So peace. Bye.